Hey guys, it's Broke Daddy Gamer again, coming today with another Launchbox tutorial. Today we are going to be working with the Sega Master System, one of my favorites of the 8-bit era. It was kind of tied for me with this and NES, but this one had the better Double Dragon, had Shoplifter, Phantasy Star, just to name a few of them that I really love. Today we're going to go ahead and get that installed into Launchbox using RetroArch, which we use quite a bit here, but it is really one of the easiest ways to set this up. So let's go ahead and get into this today and let's have some fun. All right. Okay, now we're in our Launchbox setup here, and we're going to go ahead and just go up to our favorite thing here, Tools. From Tools, we're going to go down to Import, pick our ROMs, hit Next. We're going to add the folder where we have our Master System ROMs. In my case, that would be down, down. In my arcade folder under Console Sets. For some reason it's giving me a not responding, and there we go. Oh, not there. Keep going down. And there's our Sega Master System. And just so you can see through my big fat head here, we're going to select that folder. Choose that. It's automatically found as Sega Master System, which the Master System really only has a couple cores that it works with, and the one that's default is good enough. So we're just going to hit Next, tell it RetroArch, Next, pick what you want. I just go ahead and get everything. I got a 2 terabyte drive that I'm using as the main for this. Right? I'm going to skip the movies as always. We'll get into that as we get into more of the advanced and paid tutorials. For like big box and the premium launch box. Then I'm going to hit Next. Yes, I want the bezels, and yes, I want the theme bezels all back to the system. Next, I always do the PDFs because I do want the instruction manuals. Confirm, showed my list, and there we go. That's how easy it is with most of these guys. But I'm going to go through each one because I am rebuilding my own drive so that I can use it for my arcade once I get it set up. You guys all know this. I say that, tell you every video. So, and we don't even really have to wait. It's doing the metadata and everything. And I can just go over to consoles. And look, we got the Master System right there. Let's try out a couple games. So what do we feel like doing today? Oh, Afterburner's an amazing one. See, and look how fast I even got all the artwork and everything, guys. That's pretty awesome. So let's see here. You know, I always talk a good game on it. It's one of my favorite games. Let me find it. Double Dragon. It was pretty horrible on the Nintendo. 1 player at a time, couldn't play 2 players. It's pretty bad. Helps if I don't pause it. Oh. But why is the headbutt not working? Oh, I died. I'm doing horrible. William got me. I really think it has to be a delay. Let me look at the other screen here that I had actually set up. Yep, I'm done with that. I love that game. But another one I really liked on here, let's see. Ghosts and Ghouls. Oh. That is definitely not what I chose. Let's see if I remember how to play this. Ah, there's the accelerator. Of course, this was the first game I played on here, because actually it was Double Dragon. Oh, that's right, you have to shift. Wow. I played this before Road Rage, but oh. Drop the accelerator. Oh, that hurt. I blew up. Do I ever play a game that I'm actually good at it for you guys? I don't think so. And I think I ran out of time. All right. Since that was so simple, let's do one more game. Let's see. There's so many good ones on this system. The gun games were really good, but I don't have any of that set up. So many good games. So. Oh, I just remembered one that I haven't played in a long time. Probably all the way at the beginning. Hopefully it's on here. I don't know if I have that one. We'll find out. Black Belt. You guys will recognize it as a different game, possibly. Bubble Bobble. And there's Black Belt. And you guys will recognize kind of what type of game it is in a second. Oh, I forgot about those. You gotta jump and grab stuff. Oh, there he is. Ooh. I just love the way they shatter. But they just keep coming, just like in Kung Fu for NES. I think it's a little faster, though, honestly. This guy. Always gonna kill me. Anyway, that's enough for now. But you get an idea. It was easily set up. I just need to get me a better control. I'm trying to win a bid. Hopefully by now I'll win that bid. And we'll be able to get that new control. But I thank everyone for watching that video, for the quick tutorial on how to set it up in Launchbox. Since RetroArch's in there, it really makes so many of these older games really simple to set up. please, if you enjoyed the video or learned something new today, please like and subscribe. Let me know your favorite Master System games. You know, or if you hated the Master System, let me know. If you loved it, tell me that too. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, guys, keep playing and God bless.